Ever wonder how we know which AI models are truly capable of understanding science? It's not just about speed or flashy features. It's about depth, precision, and the ability to think like a scientist. But evaluating AI on real-world research, that's been a huge challenge until now. Enter SciArena, a groundbreaking platform that's redefining how we measure AI's scientific reasoning. Imagine a system where human experts don't just test models, they vote on which answers are most accurate, detailed, and useful. It's like a science debate, but with cutting-edge AI battling it out, and over 13,000 researchers from diverse fields already contributing their judgments. Here's the breakthrough. SciArena isn't just a test, it's a community-driven benchmark. Traditional evaluations can't keep up with the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of science. But SciArena's approach ensures assessments stay fresh, relevant, and grounded in real-world needs. The results? Models like Claude 4 and OpenAI's O3 are leading the pack, but the real innovation is SciArena Val, a new standard that tests whether AI can judge answers as well as humans. But here's the twist. Even the best AI evaluators only match human choices about 65% of the time. That gap might sound significant, but it's a crucial step forward. Why? Because it highlights the complexity of scientific reasoning, where accuracy, context, and citation quality matter more than sheer volume. So how does SciArena work? Researchers submit real-world questions, like what's new in quantum computing, and AI models dig through thousands of papers, pulling out cited, detailed answers. But this isn't just about getting the right answer. Human experts rate responses based on 3 key criteria: accuracy, depth, and usefulness. Here's where it gets technical. SciArena uses a low rating system, inspired by chess rankings, to track model performance. If a model answers a tough question better than a stronger competitor, it gains points, but not too many, keeping the competition fair. Think of it as a leaderboard, where you don't get extra points for beating a beginner. Let's break it down with real-world tests. Researchers evaluated models like GPT-4, Gemini, and open-source tools like QN. They asked complex questions like, what's the latest on climate change? The AI had to find relevant studies, cite them properly, and explain findings. But SciArena didn't just check for correctness. It analyzed how answers were structured. Did they use clear language? Did they avoid jargon? Did citations actually support claims? And the results? Most users loved it. One economist called it fast and reliable, while a PhD student praised its ability to handle niche topics. Even though some tools offer longer, story-like answers, SciArena's concise, structured approach won over researchers who value efficiency. It's like choosing between a detailed cookbook and a quick recipe app. Both have their place, but sometimes you need the answer now. But here's what makes SciArena truly revolutionary: its focus on citation quality. Imagine an AI that leans on outdated studies, or throws in random references just to sound smart. SciArena flags that. It categorizes citations into 3 types. 1. Supporting relevant, accurate sources. 2. Irrelevant, off-topic, or unrelated. 3. Contradicting, sources that clash with the answer. This helps researchers spot when an AI is being honest, or when it's trying to bluff. For example, one model might explain a scientific concept with precise details, while another gives a vague summary. The ALO system rewards the former, making it easier to find trustworthy answers. So why does this matter? Science moves fast, and tools like SciArena help us separate the truly smart models from the ones just playing the game. It's not about raw power. It's about precision, collaboration, and keeping up with discovery. The future of AI isn't just about bigger models. It's about better understanding. With platforms like SciArena, we're not just measuring intelligence. We're building a world where AI and humans work together to push the boundaries of knowledge. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring the science of tomorrow.